We're at the annual Corvette Car Show, so we'll walk down and see some of these beautiful cars. There's some of Larry's favorites. We'll find where Larry's favorites. Maybe there's a Stingray in amongst this bunch.
It should be.
So let's go. That's Larry and Buster. Well, let's go and have a look.
This is little Buster. Look at the camera. Say, oh boy, I like Mustang. Corvettes.
This 63 fuel-injected Corvette. Corvette seats. If you're a Corvette owner, you got to have one of these. Owners, all of the owners get to judge all of the cars, and then you tabulate. This gentleman's the owner of the 63 Corvette.
So do you
This one.
drive it too much?
62 Corvette. Look at this. Is this the kind that was in the movie American Graffiti?
Very similar. Might be the very one.
They mold the seats. White with red interior. This is my car. To fabulous music. You can see a lovely view of all these marvelous Corvettes. Some are new, but we like the old ones. Older one.
Got the information there.
Black on black. Gorgeous. We're going to find out what year this one is. Deep at the back of this car. This is fabulous. Can't come up with enough adjectives to describe these wonderful cars. Stingray, but not a split window. What year? 64? Yeah. I wish they had a sign on it.